Wow, so that happened a lot sooner than I thought. It seems as if the a7R III price has dropped to almost $2,000. What's going on, everybody? It's That One Camera Guy back at again with another video for you, surprisingly. It's just a quick update video just to let you know that the a7R III on eBay for a gray market model is going for $269.99 in the US. I don't know about everywhere else in the world, unfortunately, but here in the US the price has dropped. There's another model going for $20.99 that I've seen, but in terms of retail price, you're looking at about $2,500. So you're seeing about a $400 savings over the retail model. Granted, just keep in mind with these gray markets, if you haven't been familiar with them in the past, there's warranty situations where the warranty is going to be dealt through with the store potentially. So make sure you read up on that info to make sure you are fully aware of some of the risks that you're taking. Now, have I purchased gray market before? I have. My a7R II was gray market, and a couple of my 6300s are gray market, and I've been okay with that. But it might not be for you in your case, so keep those things in the back of your mind while you're making that decision. But I just think in terms of discussion, I really thought we were going to wait a little bit longer for these prices to dip, but it seems as if these stores are trying to get the heads up on the a7R IV situation and just trying to offload and unload these cameras because, well, I mean, I'm guessing some of these online stores don't want to keep stock of an older camera model when they're going to stock up on this a7R IV. So they're looking for those people on the impulse purchase. I'm not saying to go out there and buy it, by the way. And the link, the affiliate link down below, you don't have to use it, whatever. It's all good. But the point I'm trying to make is it's just interesting the quick change in terms of cost. So I'm thinking maybe by December time, like I was thinking November, around that time frame, you're definitely going to see for sure now at this point a much lower price point than sub $2,000 here in the US for the a7R III. But I'm curious to know at what price point is the a7R III appealing to you? What is that threshold for you? And be reasonable. I mean, I know some people will say, well, if it was free, I'd take it, or if it was $999, you'd take it. But realistically, what price point would you want to go for? Is it like $17.99, $16.99? And speaking of that price point, the a7 III has been up on eBay's gray market for a while now at $16.79 or so roughly. You can check the affiliate link down there below. But these cameras are really great value in terms of what they can do. It's just the issue is the lenses. And that's the reason why companies like Tamron bringing out their third-party options, and Sigma is a great option for a lot of folks. So very, very interesting changes. Just want to let you guys know about that. It's right July 17th right now. Our pre-orders start tomorrow for the a7R IV, and I'm still kind of figuring out whether or not to pick it up or not. But more than likely, I will do the pre-order, but considering the fact that there was some rumors about a potential a7S III, or sorry, they didn't even specify that, but there's another announcement for another camera. So I'll probably drop the pre-order for the a7R IV tomorrow, and then if something crazy happens with another announcement, I could cancel that pre-order. And that's what's cool about pre-orders. You can always cancel them. There's not any issues. But that's going to do it for me, folks. Let me know your thoughts down below and that price threshold of what you think would be the right price for you. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.